Check it out, guys. 11th gen Honda Civic. This is 22 and up. I'm gonna do a quick DIY. Show you how to take out this side skirt right here. Quick video. So there's a lot of push pin retainer down here, and then a couple screws. Let's do a quick DIY. Let's take it out. Let's go. Alright, so this one is out already. There's a push pin retainer right there. There's 4 of them on this side, and same thing on the other side as well. There's 4. So let's quickly take them out. Alright, so the last one is at the very back. It's a little tricky in this one because it's way deep down in there. You're gonna have to like look way down here. It's a tough one because it's way at the deep end. Alright guys, so all those retainer, all 4 are out. So you can see this thing on the bottom right here is super loose now. Almost coming out. But first, there's a screw right there. Let's take those out first. This little stubby one right here, it's a little too long. This one is okay, but just get a better one. This little angle one right here. Just a little bit of screwdriver that you need. Loosen that up. Alright, one more way back there. Another screw. Let's take those out. Alright guys, to peel off the upper portion on here, you can see there is that retainer in here. You just need to peel that off, this piece right here, away from the retainer. This is what I use. Just pop it out like that. See that tabs right there? It goes into this plastic retainer on the body side. It catch in there, so just pop those off. Like that. There's port 1 right there. There's probably 8 of them here, or 6. There you go. There you go. And then last piece is up right here. Alright guys, so this last piece right here, this won't come out. You have to have a good force to peel this off. I'll show you a trick. Okay, so make sure this side is out. Whoops. Okay, right there. Just let it hang. I'll show you a trick here. Alright, so when you get to this part right here, when it's loose, you push this whole side skirt back towards the vehicle. It will unhook the tabs on the other end on that side. So push it out like that. See? There you go. That one's out. I'll show you quick here. Right there. See? Open end right here. It will catch to this piece right here. You could pry it out hard. This will go together with this piece, but you might not able to do it, or you might scratch the paint maybe. So that's the quickest way to pop this out. And then now look at it, looks nice, no scratch. So we're gonna be parting this out. Same thing on the other side. Pretty good. There's a tabs right there, and then 4 tabs on the lower. And then this will come out. Update to this vehicle. We're gonna be cutting the side panel. This whole side right here. We're gonna cut it out. This whole piece all the way down here. We're gonna salvage this whole piece for the next project. So that's it guys. Stay tuned. Thumbs up. Subscribe. See you guys again on the next one.